The low power mode on the iPhone is also referred to as the super power saving mode on some Android phones. Now the question is, does leaving your phone perpetually in low power mode or battery saving mode increase your battery capacity? Your battery capacity is the amount of power that is stored in your battery after you have charged it to 100%. And the amount of time it will take for it to discharge to 0%, and that is also referred to as a charging cycle. So assuming that you get to charge your phone full every night, it basically means that you already have 365 charging cycles in a year. If as a result of the low power mode you end up charging your phone maybe once in every 2 days, it basically has reduced the amount of charging cycles that you have to make in a year by half. And once that happens, it keeps your battery alive for a lot longer. According to Apple support, your battery should be able to retain 80% of its battery capacity after 500 charge cycles. But this depends on how the device is being handled and the circumstances in which the device is operating. Now, there are also other conditions that helps you to preserve your battery capacity. Number one, you avoid extreme temperatures while using your device. Number two, remove certain cases while charging. That is, if you are charging your phone and you are using either a rugged case or any other case that doesn't allow for proper circulation of air around your device while charging, you need to remove the case while charging to maintain a reasonable temperature around your device. Because when charging with a very tight case, the device might overheat and thereby affecting the battery capacity. Now, in some cases, you might want to travel, you might want to store your device maybe in a drawer, in a cabinet. We are advised to store it with about 50% of battery charge left in the battery. So we just discharge it to halfway. When it is half empty, then you can store it. It's not advisable to store it with 100% charge in the battery. Now, another way of increasing your battery capacity is by enabling low power mode. Of course, this is what we are talking about, whether or not low power mode will increase our battery capacity. And we have confirmed here that according to Apple support, yes, that low power mode does increase our battery capacity because it slows down the rate at which your device discharges, and it also reduces the number of charge cycles that you have to go through as the device is aging. Your device settings also play a role in preserving or drain your battery capacity. For example, the brightness of your screen. If the device has a very bright screen, or if you are always using the device with the brightness turned to the highest, that means that your battery will drain quickly and you get to charge more frequently, and as a result of that, you deplete your battery capacity even more quickly. And many other settings like that. Any of the radios on your device, your Wi-Fi, your hotspot, your Bluetooth, etc., that you are not currently using, you need to turn those off, because those also contribute to draining your battery and increasing the rate at which you get to charge. And if this video was useful to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.